Hello everyone, nice to meet you here. Let me introduce myself. I'm Mujahideen and our group member Desha Nabila from Polangabal. I would like to thank you for the opportunity to share about exam takers spend too much time reading. What skimming or scanning strategies are effective. I'm sure this topic is quite interesting and relevant to our current needs. In this presentation, we will discuss the nature of the problem, analysis, strategies, and so on. I will try to convey it in an easy to understand and interactive language. Let's dig deeper into tuple reading topics together. Before we begin, it would be good if we take a little time to reflect on ourselves and realize how important this topic is to our life. Let's get started. A introduction. In various types of exams, especially reading-based exams such as TOEFL, IELTS, and other academic exams, participants are often faced with long texts with strict time constraints. One of the main problems faced is the tendency of participants to spend too much time reading each sentence in detail. This not only hinders time efficiency but also reduces the ability participants to answer all questions optimally. This problem arises because many participants have not mastered effective speed reading strategies such as skimming and scanning. Both of these techniques are designed to help readers identify important information in a short time without having to read the entire text in depth. Skimming is used to get an overview or mind's idea of the reading, while scanning focus more on finding specific information such as dates, names, or certain keywords. By applying skimming and scanning strategies appropriately, test takers can improve their reading efficiency, understand the structure of the reading more quickly, and have more time to answer questions accurately. Therefore, it is important to understand the basic principles of these two strategies and how to use them in the context of the exam. The following explanation will outline the nature of this problem, provide examples, analysis its causes, and B. Problem analysis. The main problem faced by test takers is spending too much time reading the text in detail, even in parts that are not relevant to the question. This is usually caused by the following factors. 1. Lack of understanding of the purpose of reading. Many test takers read in the same way as reading textbook, namely trying to understand every detail. In fact, in time-based tests such as TOEFL or other standardized tests, the purpose of reading is not to understand the entire text, but to find the information needed to answer the question. 2. Ignorance of speed reading strategies. Speed reading strategies such as skimming and scanning have not been widely mastered by participants. Without this technique, they tend to read linearly from the beginning to the end of the text, which is very time consuming. 3. Time pressure then increase anxiety. In exam condition, time pressure can make participants nervous, discuss them to read slower and less focused, trying to understand very sentence approach of missing a point.
My name is Desyat Hafadila. This time I will explain about effective skimming and scanning strategies for exam. 1. Skimming strategy. The goal is to get a general understanding of the text and the main idea of each paragraph without reading each sentence. The steps are read the title and subtitle that predict the content of the text. Read the first and last sentence of each paragraph because the sentence usually contain the main topic. Pay attention to keywords that are bold, italics, or frequently repeated. This strategy is used when answering questions such as main idea, purpose, or summary. For example, in a text consisting of 5 paragraphs, just read the first and last sentence of each paragraph to understand the overall flow. 2. Scanning strategy. The goal is to quickly find specific details such as dates, names, numbers, or specific terms. The steps are: read the question first, underline the keywords you need to find, look for visual clue, numbers, capitalist word, or unique terms. Once found, 1 and 2 sentence before and after the keyword to understand the context. This scanning strategy is used when answering questions related to detail, reference, fact, or negative factual information. An example is scan numbers and words such as in 1990 or begin to expand globally. The conclusion is that examiners often spend too much time reading because they have not mastered spin reading strategies that are appropriate to the demands of time limit exam. Skimming helps readers grasp the main ideas and structure of the text quickly without reading every detail and examine. Find the specific information required by the question more quickly and accurately. Therefore, regular practice with this strategy is essential to help examine read strategically, not just quickly.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Ramadhani. Here I will present the result of our group or which discuss as some participant who spend too much time reading. What kind of skimming and scanning strategies are effective? Here I will discuss 6 academic and practical references that support the effectiveness of skimming and scanning strategies in the context of reading-based exam. Number 1, Brownha Douglas, 2004, Lineage Assessment, Facilities and Classroom Practice. This book explains various reading strategies in language testing, including skimming and scanning, and their relation to time efficiency during exam. More detailed explanation of skimming and scanning as explained in this book launch. Skimming is reading quickly to get the general idea or big picture of a text purpose to understand the main topic, text structure, and outdoors main ideas without reading every word. Exam application skimming helps students understand the context of the question and identify relevant parts of the text quickly. Scanning. Scanning is reading quickly to find specific information or certain details in the text. Purpose to find keyword, number, name, date, or other specific information that is sought. Exam application. Scanning helps students find specific answer to multiple choice questions, content question, or question that require certain detail. Relation to time efficiency in exam. By using skimming and scanning techniques, students can save time in reading long text and finding the information they need. This, this is especially important in time-limited exam, where every second counts. Thus, the book Language Assessment by H. Douglas Brown emphasizes the importance of mastering skimming and scanning techniques in improving time efficiency and student performance in language tests. Number 2, Greg William and Stoller, Frederica L. 2000. Number 3, Nation IST 2009 Teaching Level Reading and Writing. The book emphasizes the importance of reading strategies such as skimming and scanning for second language learners, particularly for exam preparation. Number 4, Your Penny 1996. A course in language teaching, practice, and theory. This short outlines various language teaching strategies including rapid reading skill in ESL level instruction. Number 5, Cambridge Assessment English 2020 official with 2 years. This official guide over practical strategies for approaching IELTS reading text, including the use of skimming and scanning to save time. Number 6, Educational Testing Service 2023, the official with 2 the TOEFL EBT test 6 dates. This officially handbook from the TOEFL test maker explicitly recommend the use of skimming and scanning when tackling the reading section. That's all the presentation from our group. Thank you.